that was not me partying. So today we're going to talk about alcohol consumption. Now, how many of you like had a rough night with your friends, with your family, and went to party, drank a lot, and then after, like the other day, you wake up like lethargic and feeling worst about yourself physically and mentally? I think if I may guess right, every one of you feel the same whenever they consume alcohol, they consume the thing that body doesn't like. So today we're gonna talk about effects of alcohol on your body. Now we all know that alcohol is a poison. That's it. Alcohol is a poison. Whatever you might think that alcohol does this to your body, that does that to your body, when it is over consumed or mildly consumed, it is not good for your body, especially if you're going to the gym, if you're an athlete, or if you want to just build muscle and look good. It's not good for you. It's not doing any good to your body. So I have written some notes here, like it was too much to digest because I've just studied a lot of studies and the one book called Why We Sleep. There's a lot of things. So the first thing here is that alcohol hinders your carbs and your fat intake. So basically what happens is, whatever you eat after the alcohol consumption, whenever you consume alcohol and whatever you eat after, whatever calorie you eat, majority of that calorie will turn into fat. So what happens is that it doesn't metabolize carbs, it doesn't metabolize your proteins, it doesn't know, it just goes into your fat source, because alcohol is like high in calorie and it is more in sugar. So whatever carbs you eat, whatever fat you eat, it will always convert into your fat. So first thing, it hinders your carbs and your fat intake. Now second is that it lowers your testosterone. So testosterone is a main building hormone of male, especially male and female who want to go to like a female physique model or female bodybuilding. Testosterone is a main hormone for muscle building. Now the study has proven everything. Like the study I mentioned, everything will be linked in the description, you can read yourself. So the study here suggests that 50 to 60% drop in your testosterone hormone whenever you consume alcohol. The other day your testosterone drops to 50 to 60%. Now that is a very huge number. It's a very huge number, because you grind into the gym, you do whatever it takes into the gym, you eat good entire day, and that one night, that 2 hours, you drink a lot with your friends, you like get overhyped, and then everything is gone. Everything, like your hormone drops like to 50 or 60%, half. So person who is having less testosterone, like having a problem to build testosterone naturally, will suffer a lot, and normal guys as well suffer a lot. So the third thing here is that it also drops your protein synthesis. Now what protein synthesis is that it is whenever you take protein and whenever you work out, it breaks your muscle fiber. There's a muscle breakdown, and what protein synthesis does, that it exceeds the breakdown. So if you're breaking down this much muscle, your protein synthesis will help you to gain more than your breakdown. And whenever you consume or alcohol, the balance between this, like this is a breakdown, muscle breakdown, this is muscle gain, muscle breakdown will exceed the muscle gain. So basically what will happen is that your protein synthesis will go down and your muscle breakdown, that is your muscle tonus, and from the workout and after the workout as well, so it will exceed your muscle gain, your recovery. So that is the main thing. So first, it hinders your carbs intake, it hinders your fat intake. Second, drops your testosterone. And third, that it lowers your testosterone. Now fourth, this is the most important thing for whoever you are, whoever, not just like if you're into bodybuilding, or if you want to look good, or you build muscle, you're an athlete, not for only, not only for them, it's for everyone. It lowers, it hinders your learning ability. And what I mean is that it lowers your REM sleep. Now what REM sleep is, like rapid eye movement. Now we have like probably 3 stages of our sleep. The first is like deep sleep, where you're deep into sleep. It's probably 45 to 1 hour or 1.5 hour or 2 hours. When you're athlete, it's 2 hours of your deep sleep. Now second stage is your light sleep, sleeping between, like switching between light sleep and REM sleep. Now in the REM sleep, it is usually at the end of your sleep. So say you're sleeping 7 hours, and your REM sleep is probably at the later of your sleep. So what REM sleep does is that REM sleep is like it's when you dream. It's when you process everything you have learned throughout the day. So it helps you to dream, it helps you to process everything you have learned throughout the day, and helps you to process in your brain, and helps you to remember that thing. So what it does is that it lowers your REM sleep. So what like your REM sleep is hindered, and then the other day, according to the book I read, that like why we sleep, according to that, so what your body does is that it tries to recompensate the sleep you didn't get. So the other night your body tries to get more REM sleep, and in the day you are feeling dizzy, and that's what we call hangover. So you don't get enough REM sleep, and that hinders your learning ability. So if you are having exam, or if you have read a book, or if you have a good meeting the other day and you're prepared very well, and then you drink, it's very hard for you to remember that, and it's very hard for your brain to process the information, and it's very hard for you to get like concentrate on the meeting, or the exam, or whatever. So it hinders your REM sleep. So this is the 4 main effects. So basically this is the 4 main effect when you're trying to build muscle, and especially the main thing is your REM sleep, like rapid eye movement. It's a REM sleep, so it hinders your REM sleep. Now alcohol, I personally think, because I don't consume alcohol, I personally think that alcohol is not a good thing to have. Yes, study have really shown that it is good for your heart when you take in a very normal manner, like very moderate manner. But again, if you're trying to build muscle, if you're an athlete, it's not good for you. And the thing we humans do, we do everything, like majority of us, we do everything overly. Like if you are consuming alcohol, we don't stick to moderate range, we don't stick to less range, we just over consume it because our friend told us. The music, the vibe of the environment, it's like it encourages you to consume alcohol more. I went through this article on this REM sleep, and then read this book of why we sleep, and then this about REM sleep. So I thought that doing this video will be beneficial to you guys. So if you're not drinking alcohol, thumbs up, don't touch it. And if you are drinking, I'm not telling you to not live your life. Again, I'm not telling you to just stop it and just साधु बन जाओ, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I'm just saying that consume it in a moderate range. That's it. Just enjoy the moment and then leave behind, and enjoy with your friends, enjoy with your life, enjoy with your family. That's what it is. So live your life, enjoy your life, but do everything in moderation. That's what I'm trying to say you. And at the end of the day, my work was to just put the facts out in front of you. Now it's up to you that what you want to do. It's your take. If you want to drink alcohol, you can do it. If you want to leave alcohol, you can do it. If you want to drop the range you're consuming alcohol. You can do it, whatever. It's your life, it's your choice. My work is done. I have put in the facts in front of you. So thank you guys for watching. This video is like done here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.